comfort. We have traveled land and sea, but as long as you are with me, there's no place I'd rather be.
Hi students and family, I'm Coach Katie. I work the front desk and I'm here to answer or direct you in any way you may need during this new journey we got going on in HMS. So just wanted to say hi to you all.
Just wanted to say I'm excited to see everybody online and or at school. And even though this is a mission that has never been attempted before, we can do it. And I'm excited to be a part of it.
Snap. Okay, it's me. All right, okay. Hey, I'm Mr. Vaughn. I'm the band director here at Harpeth Middle School. It's nice to see everyone, and I teach 5th grade music as well. I'm really excited to see all the kids because I missed everyone since March, and it's been so boring in quarantine. I just want to see people face to face. I need isolation. So I am so excited to be here at 2nd year at Harpeth Middle School, guys, and I'm going to make sure you have a great year as well. There you go.
Hey there. It seems like forever since I've seen any of my students at HMS. This is Miss Austin, and I'm looking forward to having you in the art room, either virtually or in person, so that we can make some art. I hope to see you soon. Bye now.
Hello HMS families, it's Coach Allen here. I am a PE teacher at Harpeth Middle, and we look forward to seeing you real soon.
Hey there HMS, this is Miss Grease, and I just want to say welcome back and welcome to our virtual open house. Just a little bit about the music room this year. For those of you who've had me before, most of it should look pretty much the same. If you take a look around, it all looks pretty much what you're used to. The big difference this year will be how we have to do seating. You'll notice when you come in that I might tell you to only sit in blue chairs or green chairs, and that's just to keep you safe. I'm still planning on doing all the instruments this year. We just may not spend the whole time on a specific instrument like we have in the past. The guitars are geared up. They're ready to go. We got our bells, our rolly pianos, and of course our regular pianos. So can't wait to see you. We'll have a good year, and we'll just see where it takes us this year.
Hello HMS, this is Coach Wallace, PE teacher. Can't wait to see everybody back at school next week.
Hi, I'm Miss White. I'm the focus teacher here at Harpeth Middle School, and I'm super excited to start this new school year. Looking forward to meeting all of you.
Welcome Harpeth Middle School students and families. I'm Miss Barton. I am the 5th and 6th grade co-teacher, so I will be in some of the English Language Arts classes and some of the math classes. So you will see me floating around all over the school and throughout 5th and 6th grade. I am so excited to start this year with you guys. We are going to have a lot of fun times, and we are going to face a lot of obstacles, but we are in this together, and we are going to overcome all of those obstacles together because we are an awesome family here at HMS. So welcome, 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 and let's rock this year.
Hi guys, I am Miss Julia, and I teach life skills here at Harpeth Middle School. I'm super excited for us to meet, for us to get to know each other, and I do want to leave one thing with you. You're better than your frustrations. This school year is going to be frustrating, just like every other school year, but this year is going to be a little different. But just remember that you are better than your frustrations. You can do this. We can all do this together, 6 feet apart.
Hi everyone, I'm Mrs. Gusty. I'm the 7th and 8th grade co-teacher this year. I can't wait to see every student and hear about your escapades during the summer. This year is going to be unlike any other year that you've had before. Everyone is learning new ways to learn, including the teachers, including me. And I can't wait to be a part of it all. It's a new exciting way to do things. And we get started next week, and I can't wait to see you. Bye-bye.
Hey everybody, my name is Brandy Gilland and I'm the new 7th and 8th grade counselor at Harpeth Middle. You can call me Miss Brandy or Miss Gilland, either one is okay. I wanted to let you know that I'm so excited to meet you all. I'm so excited to be your counselor. For the past 7 years, I've been a high school counselor at Cheatham County High School. Before that, I did a couple of placements with Centerstone. I did some time at Cheatham Middle and at Harpeth Middle. So I'm glad to be coming back to Harpeth Middle. If you need anything, please email or call me. I'm really looking forward to meeting you all, whether it's in person or virtual. Hopefully it will be in person very soon. Thanks. Bye.
Hi, my name is Miss Whitaker. I'm the 5th and 6th grade school counselor at HMS, and I am so excited for this school year.
Hi, I'm Miss Mueller. I'm so excited to see you guys this year. Some of you I've had in the past in clubs, and this is going to be a great year, a great grade. Very much a lot of weirdness, but we'll get through it together. All right. Oh, and I have social studies. So I'll see you guys, science and social studies this year. Love you. Mwah.
Hey. You don't know me by now. You may never ever know me anymore. You are just around the hall, almost a full year. But the COVID took you away. But you will get to know me soon, because I'm your 8th grade math teacher. Now you will know me.
Hello 8th graders, I'm Miss Purdom. I teach language arts and social studies this year. I look forward to a great year and look forward to getting to know you all. I'm in room 2 in the 8th grade hall. See you soon.
Hey guys, I'm Miss Carly and I teach 8th grade English, and we're all very excited to see you. Can't wait to get started and hope that you've had an awesome summer. So get ready for 8th grade. It's going to be a really fun time.
Hi, I'm Miss Haney. I'm really excited to be teaching 8th grade math this year. I'm going to be in room 4, so can't wait to see you next week.
Hi everybody, Miss Buchanan, 7th grade math. I just wanted to take a second to say that I am so excited to meet each and every one of you over the next week or so, and I'm looking forward to a weird and exciting new school year. I hope you've all enjoyed your summer break as much as I have, but I'm ready to get back down to business, as I'm sure you are too. So enjoy your last few days of summer, and I will see you soon.
Hi everybody, it's Miss Melton, and I'm going to be teaching 7th grade ELA this year. Several of you already know, and I look forward to seeing you again. I know this year is going to be a little challenging for some of us with all the new technology we're going to have to learn, but if we work together, I know we can do it. See you soon!
Hey everybody, I just wanted to come on here and introduce myself. My name is Kaylee Burton, and I'm the 7th grade math teacher at Harpeth Middle School. I'll be teaching the accelerated math class this year. I'm also the soccer coach this year, so woohoo, let's go for this season. I'm super excited. I'm also really excited about what our class is going to look like this year. It's going to be a little bit different with everything that's going on, the new changes due to the virus, but I'm excited. I have high hopes for what's going to happen, and I think that if we just hit the ground running with a great attitude, I think we'll be able to do amazing things this year. So I'm looking forward to having each and every one of you in my class, and let's get this year rolling.
Hey, I'm Lathan Turner. I'll be teaching 7th grade world history, and I'm really excited to get this year going.
Hey everybody, I am Miss Johnson, and I will be your science teacher this year. I really look forward to getting to know all of you. It's going to be a little different than any of us have ever done this. So we are learning together, and I am up for the challenge. I think we got it in us, and we are going to have a great year together. I look forward to it. See ya.
Hi, I'm Mr. Morrison. I teach 7th grade English at Harpeth Middle School, and I'm looking forward to an exciting and unique school year.
Hi guys, I'm Miss Roberts, and I will be your 6th grade math teacher. I'm looking forward to seeing all of your faces. I have missed being in this building, and I can't wait to spend time with you. It's going to be a super year.
Hey everyone, my name is Lori Johnson, and this year at Harpeth Middle School I will be teaching 6th grade language arts and social studies.
Good morning everyone, I'm Miss Passive,
And I'm Miss Passon, and together we're going to do some math and some social studies in 6th grade. So put on your seatbelts. It's going to be a bumpy ride. We're going to have some ups, some downs, and some fun or not fun. We'll explain that later. But I don't have anything left to do this summer, so I'm ready to teach you. So come on down to 6th grade and see Miss Passon. Bye.
Hi guys, my name's Miss Green. I'm going to be your reading, ELA and writing teacher this year in 6th grade. I am so excited to finally get a chance to meet you guys. We're going to have a great year, and I hope you are as excited as I am. I will see you soon.
Hi everybody, my name is Katie Patnode, and I teach 6th grade science and 6th grade social studies. And I'll be really excited to get back to school this year, just to see the kids, and just to get back to the business of school.
Hi boys and girls, my name is Barbara Warren Bobo, and I go by Miss Bobo. I teach 5th grade. Some of you will have me for science and social studies. Harpeth Middle School is ready for you. We can't wait to see you soon.
Hey everybody, I'm Amanda Howe. I teach math and science and can't wait to meet you.
Hey guys, my name is Rachel Garrison. I teach 5th grade language arts. It's going to be such a great year and I can't wait to meet you guys.
Hey guys, I'm Brittany Burgess. I teach 5th grade math. Super excited to see you guys. It's going to be an awesome year.
Hey guys, my name is Kelly Hurt. I teach language arts and social studies, and I can't wait to get the year started.
Hi, I'm Dana Bates. I'm the assistant principal. Chances are I've taught your family tree. Let's have a good year.
All right, hey there HMS families, this is Dr. Fowler, your principal, and I just wanted to conclude this video with a little bit of a visual. Sometimes we get anxious about where do we even come in and what do we do? So upon arriving, whether you're getting out of your car or the bus, we're gonna take your temperature and you're gonna come through these doors right here. And when you come in, you can go to the left and get breakfast in the cafeteria. And if you are a 7th and 8th grader and you decide, I don't really want to eat breakfast, I just want to go straight to class, you can take a right and go right through these doors that will be open. Let's say you arrive late. Parents, I'm sorry, you can't come in anymore until all this is over, but the front office is literally right here. So students, as soon as you get here, you'll just come to the office and Miss Katie Pacifici, she'll check you in and we'll get you to class, okay? But we encourage all of our students to come in and eat breakfast and then you'll just take your food and go straight to class. So again, here's the cafeteria. When you come in, 5th graders, after you get your breakfast, you're gonna go down that hallway there, and I'll zoom in on that in a minute. And then if you are a 6th grader, you're gonna go to the right. Excuse the boxes, I'm still cleaning. And then if you're a 7th or 8th grader, then you can go again right back through these doors, okay? So I will take pictures of the hallway just so where you can see, and I'll post these after this short clip, but I just wanted to say that our theme this year for our county is level up. We're gonna level up and we're going to meet all of these challenges, and our theme here at Harpeth Middle School is challenge accepted. We have a lot of challenges and we've accepted them. We're gonna do the best we can. This is all new to us. Technology is going to be amazing this year. We're all learning, and so we just ask that you have patience and grace with us the way that we will with you. Our kids are going to get loved on and appreciated, and they're going to get educated. So just stay with us, hang with us. We're going to be okay. Let's have an awesome year.
There's no place I'd rather be.